Hello friends. In previous class we learnt about the properties of parallelogram. Today we will learn how we solve the problem based on the properties of parallelogram. Okay, let's start. See in the figure ABCD is a parallelogram. Find x and y. It is given ABCD is a parallelogram. Find x and y. How we can solve it? Let us see. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, as we know that from the property of parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. That means here the opposite sides AB equal to CD, they are equal, and AD equal to BC, they are also equal. Now from first AB equal to CD, here AB equal to given 3y minus 1 and CD equal to given 26 centimeter. We can solve it easily now. 3y equal to 26 plus 1, that is 27. Therefore y equal to 27 by 3, that is 9 centimeter. Also AD equal to BC, as I told you, in the parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Then AD equal to BC, that means AD equal to given 3x and BC equal to given 18. Then 3x equal to 18. Therefore the value of x equal to 18 by 3, that is 6 centimeter. So this type we will find the unknown quantity x and y. Understood? Now another problem. Let us see the another examples, the other types of problems. Let us see. Second question, based on the diagonals. See in the question, ABCD is a parallelogram. Find x and y. Find x and y. So solution is, since ABCD is a parallelogram, so diagonals AC and BD bisect each other at O. As from the properties of parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. So diagonal AC and BD bisect each other at O. Now OC equal to OA. OC equal to OA. It means y plus 7 equal to 20. Then y equal to 20 minus 7, that means it is 13 centimeter. Also OD equal to OB, it means OD equal to x plus y and OB equal to 16. Then x plus y equal to 16 implies x plus 13. Y value is upper side, it is obtained 13. So x plus 13 equal to 16. Therefore x equal to 16 minus 13, that is 3 centimeter. So from this type we find the value of x and y when it is given in the form of diagonals. Understood? The next question is to find the angles. See the figure, it is given. In figure, both ABCD and PQRS are parallelograms. Then find the value of x. How we find it? See the solution. Since ABCD is a parallelogram, then angle C plus angle D equals to 185, because as we know that in parallelograms adjacent angle sum is 180 degree. So here the adjacent angles are angle C and angle D. So angle C plus angle D equal to 180. Now angle C plus angle D value is given 120. Then angle C plus 120 equal to 180. Therefore angle C equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. Here we find the value of angle C. Now PQRS is also a parallelogram. So their opposite angles are also equal. Therefore angle S equal to angle Q, as they are opposite angles. Therefore we easily find the value of Q, that is equal to angle S, means 70 degree. Now x equal to 180 minus angle C plus angle S. Angle sum property of triangles. This is the closed figure and it is formed by 3 line segments. So it is triangle. So here we find the value of x by angle sum property of triangle. So 180 minus angle C plus angle S equals to 180 minus angle C value is 60 and angle S value is 70 degree. So 180 minus 60 plus 70 degree equals to 180 minus 130 degree, that is 50 degree. So here we find the value of x, that is 50 degree. Understood? So these are the problems based on the properties of triangles. Either we have to find the sides, either it is based on the diagonals, or either it is based on the angles. Understood? These are the problems based on the properties of parallelograms. Thanks for watching.